What if the best air conditioner for your home wasn't a machine, but a plant? With heat waves on the rise, we're all searching for smarter, greener ways to stay cool. Certain fast-growing plants can lower the temperature around your home by up to 5 degrees Celsius, enough to turn sweltering into comfortable. Today we'll explore 7 of the fastest-growing cooling plants that can transform any space into a refreshing oasis. Let's dig in. Let's start with grapevines, a timeless favorite when it comes to creating instant shade and adding a touch of natural elegance to any outdoor space. For centuries, people have relied on grapevines not just for their delicious fruit, but also for their ability to transform patios, decks, and gardens into cool, inviting retreats. Imagine stepping outside on a hot summer day and finding yourself beneath a lush, living canopy, where sunlight filters softly through layers of vibrant green leaves. That's the magic grapevines bring to your home. These vigorous, fast-growing vines are true powerhouses in the garden. In just a single season they can climb and cover trellises, arbors, pergolas, or even fences, weaving themselves into a dense, leafy tapestry that shields you from harsh sunlight. Their ability to quickly create a thick, natural roof makes them ideal for anyone looking to add privacy and shade without waiting years for trees to mature. Whether you want to create a cozy nook for reading, a shaded dining area, or simply a cooler spot to relax, grapevines deliver results fast. The broad, heart-shaped leaves of grapevines are not just beautiful, they're functional too. They soak up the sun's rays, acting as a living barrier that keeps patios, walls, and even the soil beneath them noticeably cooler. This natural shading effect helps reduce heat buildup around your home, making outdoor spaces more comfortable and even lowering indoor cooling costs. Plus, the shade helps retain soil moisture, so your garden stays lush and your plants thrive, even during the hottest months. And the benefits don't stop at shade. By the end of the growing season, grapevines reward you with clusters of juicy, homegrown grapes, perfect for snacking, making jams, or even trying your hand at homemade wine. It's like having your own snack bar and natural air conditioner rolled into one. Harvesting grapes with family or friends becomes a cherished seasonal ritual, connecting you to the rhythms of nature and the joy of growing your own food. If you're eager for quick results, look for fast-growing varieties like Concord or Thompson seedless. These popular types are known for their vigorous growth and abundant fruit, making them perfect for impatient gardeners or anyone wanting to see a dramatic transformation in just a year or two. Local nurseries often carry a range of grapevine varieties, so you can choose the one that best suits your climate and taste preferences. For maximum cooling power, plant grapevines on the south or west side of your home, where they'll block the hottest afternoon sun. Trained along a sunny wall, over a pergola, or across a fence, grapevines not only provide shade but also add a touch of Mediterranean charm to your landscape. Their trailing vines and cascading leaves create a living curtain that softens hard edges and brings a sense of tranquility to any outdoor setting. Regular pruning is key to keeping your grapevines healthy and productive. By trimming back excess growth each year, you encourage the plant to grow denser foliage, which means even more shade and a bigger grape harvest. Pruning also helps maintain the shape of your vine, prevents overcrowding, and keeps your outdoor space looking tidy and inviting. Once established, grapevines are surprisingly tough and low maintenance. They're drought-tolerant, thriving in hot, dry conditions where other plants might struggle. With just a little care, occasional watering, annual pruning, and a bit of mulch, your grapevines will flourish year after year, providing shade, beauty, and fruit with minimal effort. Grapevines also support local wildlife. Their tiny flowers attract bees and other pollinators, while the dense foliage offers shelter for birds and beneficial insects. By growing grapevines, you're not just improving your own environment, you're helping create a healthier, more vibrant ecosystem right in your backyard. So if you're searching for a cooling solution that's as beautiful as it is productive and eco-friendly, grapevines are a top pick. They offer shade, privacy, fresh fruit, and a habitat for wildlife, all while enhancing the look and feel of your outdoor living space. With grapevines, you get the best of nature's design and bounty, right at your doorstep. Ready to discover the next green contender for your garden oasis? Let's see what other living shade solutions nature has in store. When it comes to creating a lush living screen in record time, bamboo stands in a league of its own. This remarkable plant is renowned for its astonishing growth rate. Some species can shoot up several inches in a single day, and within just a few weeks, you'll witness a dramatic transformation in your garden. Watching bamboo emerge from the soil is like seeing nature's magic unfold before your eyes, as slender green shoots quickly become tall, graceful canes. In just a short span, bamboo can form a dense, vibrant hedge that acts as a natural green wall. This living barrier not only blocks out unwanted views and harsh sunlight, but also creates a sense of seclusion and tranquility in your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to shield your backyard from prying eyes or simply want to carve out a peaceful retreat, bamboo delivers rapid, beautiful results. The delicate leaves of bamboo filter sunlight, casting a gentle dappled shade that cools the ground beneath. This natural shading effect helps lower the temperature in your garden, making it a more comfortable place to relax, even on the hottest days. As breezes pass through the slender stems, bamboo channels cooling air, creating a refreshing microclimate that feels instantly inviting. To keep your bamboo under control, it's important to choose the right type. Clumping varieties like bambusa or fargesia are ideal for home gardens, as they grow in tight clusters and won't spread aggressively. If you prefer running types, installing a sturdy root barrier will prevent unwanted spreading and keep your bamboo neatly contained, ensuring it remains a well-behaved addition to your landscape. One of bamboo's most enchanting qualities is the way its slender stems sway gracefully in the breeze. This gentle movement not only adds a soothing, dynamic element to your garden, but also helps break up hot, stagnant air. The result is a space that feels cooler and more alive, while still allowing plenty of natural light to filter through. Bamboo is also prized for its resilience and year-round beauty. In many climates, it remains evergreen, providing a lush, cooling presence through every season. Unlike many other plants that lose their leaves in winter, bamboo stays vibrant and green, offering continuous shade and privacy no matter the time of year. Plus, it requires minimal maintenance, making it a practical choice for busy gardeners. Beyond its beauty and cooling benefits, bamboo is incredibly versatile. You can harvest mature stalks for a variety of garden projects, use them to build trellises, stakes, or even decorative fencing. This renewable resource grows back quickly, so you can enjoy both its functional and aesthetic advantages without worry. For maximum cooling effect, plant bamboo along the sunny, exposed sides of your home or outdoor living areas. The dense foliage will shield walls from direct sunlight, reducing heat buildup indoors and creating a cooler, more comfortable environment both inside and out. Once your bamboo is established, you'll notice the difference almost immediately. Temperatures in your garden will drop and your sense of privacy will soar. The transformation is not just visual, it's something you can feel every time you step outside. Bamboo is just the beginning. Let's explore the next plants in our lineup that can help you create a cooler, greener, and more inviting outdoor space. Imagine waking up to a once plain wall now bursting with life and color. Morning Glory is the secret artist of the garden, transforming blank, uninspired fences or walls into vibrant, leafy murals almost overnight. With its heart-shaped leaves and twining stems, this fast-growing vine brings a sense of magic and movement to any outdoor space, making even the dullest corners come alive. Its rapid climbing habit is truly remarkable. Morning Glory can cover over 10 feet in a single season, weaving a lush green tapestry that drapes hot surfaces in a cooling curtain. This living shade not only beautifies your home but also acts as a natural insulator, lowering wall temperatures and reducing heat buildup indoors. In the heat of summer, a wall covered in Morning Glory can be several degrees cooler than bare brick or wood, making your outdoor spaces more comfortable and energy efficient. But Morning Glory isn't just about shade and beauty. Its trumpet-shaped flowers open each morning, attracting a parade of pollinators, bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. These blooms turn your garden into a lively pollinator haven, supporting local wildlife and encouraging a healthy ecosystem right outside your door. Getting started is simple. Soak the seeds overnight to soften their tough coats, then plant them in full sun for the best blooms. Provide a sturdy trellis or support, and you'll soon see shoots racing skyward within just a few weeks. Morning Glory is a joy to grow, rewarding even beginner gardeners with rapid, visible progress. For maximum cooling, train the vines to cover the sunniest spots of your garden or home. Guide their growth along walls, fences, or pergolas where the sun hits hardest, and watch as they create a living shield that protects and cools your favorite outdoor areas. Don't have a yard? No problem. Morning Glory thrives in pots and hanging baskets, making it perfect for balconies, patios, or even small urban spaces. With just a little sunlight and support, you can enjoy their blooms and cooling benefits anywhere. To keep your vines tidy and prevent unwanted spreading, deadhead spent flowers regularly. This simple step controls reseeding and encourages more blooms. Or if you love a wilder look, let the seeds drop and naturalize. Soon you'll have a lush, untamed display that returns year after year. With its fast growth, dazzling blooms, and powerful cooling effect, Morning Glory is truly a summer essential. It brings beauty, comfort, and life to any space, making your garden or balcony a refreshing retreat from the heat. Now let's see how trees, nature's original shademakers, can join the fight against heat and transform your landscape even further. Silver birch offers airy, reflective shade without making your yard feel dark or closed in. These fast-growing trees can reach 40 feet, forming a dappled canopy that reflects sunlight and keeps spaces bright. Their slender branches let breezes flow, carrying away heat and refreshing the air. Planting a silver birch on the south or west side can dramatically cool outdoor seating areas. The roots are non-invasive, making them safe near patios or walkways. Silver birch supports wildlife, feeding bees and sheltering birds and insects. Easy to maintain and visually striking year-round, it's a top choice for shade and style. For even more dramatic cooling, meet elephant grass. Elephant grass makes a bold statement and drops temperatures fast. This towering grass can reach 12 feet in a season, creating dramatic shaded pockets and a lush jungle vibe. It slows hot winds and adds moisture to the air, making your yard feel fresher even on the hottest days. Planted as a border or windbreak for maximum effect, elephant grass grows rapidly with sun and water, filling in large spaces quickly. Its arching leaves and feathery plumes add movement and attract wildlife. Give it room to spread, and cut back regularly to keep it in check. For eco-friendly cooling in big spaces, elephant grass is a powerhouse. But what if you want shade and fresh veggies? Let's check out vining vegetables. Cucumbers and other vining veggies offer cooling shade and fresh produce, perfect for small spaces. Grown on trellises or railings, their broad leaves create living shade while soaking up the sun to grow crisp vegetables. Position your trellis on the sunniest side for the best cooling and privacy. These vines are easy to start from seed and ready to harvest in just a couple of months. Compact varieties thrive in pots or balconies, and their flowers attract pollinators. Combine vining veggies with other fast growers for a lush, inviting retreat. Enjoy cooler afternoons and homegrown snacks all summer long. Now let's see how the willow tree cools with water power. Willow trees are rapid growers that create cool, inviting shade wherever there's moisture. Through evapotranspiration, willows pull water from the soil and release it into the air, cooling and humidifying the area. The classic weeping willow's sweeping branches form a deep, refreshing canopy, perfect for relaxing outdoors. Willows thrive near water or damp spots, turning problem areas into your garden's coolest retreat. Plant a young tree, water it the first year, and watch it explode with growth. Willows support wildlife, providing nesting sites and food for birds and insects. Plant away from pipes or foundations due to strong roots. If you've got the space, willows offer unmatched cooling power. Let's wrap up with a quick recap. From grapevines and bamboo to willow trees and elephant grass, these fast-growing plants prove nature offers the best solutions for rising temperatures. Plant them now and position wisely. By next season, your space could be several degrees cooler, no AC required. With a little planning, you'll create a green oasis that keeps you comfortable and helps the planet. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more climate-smart gardening tips. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.